ಸಂಸಾರದಾವ ನಲಲಿತಲೋಕ ತ್ರಣಯಕಾರುಣ್ಯಘನಘನತ್ವಂ ಪ್ರಾಪ್ತಸ್ಯ ಕಲ್ಯಾಣಗುಣಾರ್ಣವಸ್ಯ ವಂದೇ ಗುರು ಶ್ರೀಚರಣರವಿಂದಂ. ಮಹಾಪ್ರಭೋ ಕೀರ್ತನೃತ್ಯ ಗೀತಾಂ ವಾದಿತ್ರಮಾರ್ಚಾನ್ ಮನಸೋ ರಸೇನ ರೋಮಾಂಚಕಂ ಪಾಶ್ರುತರಂಗಭಾಜೋ ವಂದೇ ಗುರು ಶ್ರೀಚರಣರವಿಂದಂ. ಶ್ರೀವಿಗ್ರಹಾರಾಧನನಿತ್ಯನಾನಂ ಶೃಂಗಾರತನ್ಮಂದಿರಮಾರ್ಚನಾದಂ ಯುಕ್ತಸ್ಯ ಭಕ್ತಾಂಶ್ಚ ನಿಯುಂಜತೋಪಿ ವಂದೇ ಗುರು ಶ್ರೀಚರಣರವಿಂದಂ. ಚತುರ್ವೇದಾಶ್ರೀಂ ಭಗವತ್ಪ್ರಸಾದಂ ಸ್ವಾತನ್ನತೃಪ್ತಾಂ ಹರಿಭಕ್ತ್ಯ ಸಂಗಂ ಕೃತ್ವೈವ ತೃಪ್ತಿಂ ಭಜ ತತ್ಸದೈವಂ ವಂದೇ ಗುರು ಶ್ರೀಚರಣರವಿಂದಂ. ಶ್ರೀರಾಧಿಕಾ ಮಾಧವಯೋರಪಾಯೋರ್ಮಾಧುರ್ಯಲೀಲಾ ಗುಣರೂಪನಾಮ್ನಂ ಪ್ರತೀಕ್ಷಣಾಸ್ವಾದನಲೋಲುಪಸ್ಯಂ ವಂದೇ ಗುರು ಶ್ರೀಚರಣರವಿಂದಂ. ನಿಕುಂಜಯೋ ನೋ ರತಿಕೇಳಿಸಿತೈ ಯಾಯಾಲಿಭಿರ್ಯುಕ್ತೈರಪೇಕ್ಷಣೀಯಂ ತತ್ರಾತಿದಕ್ಷ್ಯ ತತಿವಲ್ಲಭಸ್ಯ ವಂದೇ ಗುರು ಶ್ರೀಚರಣರವಿಂದಂ. Shri Guru is Radhika Priya Sakhi. All the acharyas, the Gaura Priyajana, one after the other, we know their Swarupa is Manjaris, Radhika Priya Sakhi. So Shri Guru is Radhika Priya Sakhi. All the acharyas are there in our parampara. Srila Prabhupada is there. Yeah. So, the Gurujana who have realized their Siddha Deha and then their pure heart. So through the pure heart of the realized soul, then the previous acharyas, all of them, they manifest their mercy. So this is how we get the mercy from Shri Guru. And he's like an auspicious cloud. He's giving us Krishna, waters of Krishna. He's always absorbed in the loving service of Bhagavan, Lord Krishna, present in the Nama, and the Lord present in the Shri Vigraha, the Lord present in the heart of all living entities. So in this way, every moment he is relishing not only the Bhakti Virasa, the depths of Bhakti Rasa, he is relishing the Nama, Rupa, Guna, Leela of Radhika Madhava. He is personally present in the seva of Radhika Madhava. And having taken shelter of Shri Guru, we will be engaged in the personal service of Shri Radhika Madhava. Sakshat Harittvena samasta shastrai yuktastada bhavyatena sadbhim किंतु प्रभूयां प्रियैव तस्या वन्दे गुरु श्री चरणरविन्दं. यस्य प्रसादो भगवत् प्रसादं यस्या प्रसादो नगति कुतोऽपि ध्यायं तु वां तस्य यस्य त्रिसान्ध्यं वन्दे गुरु श्री चरणरविन्दं. So in this way, Shri Guru, we have to understand Bhakti in Tattva. We have to understand the personalities in Tattva. We have to understand the channels of mercy in Tattva. We are Jiva Tattva. The mercy flows through Guru Tattva. Bhakti in their heart comes into the heart of a sadhaka. So, Krishna Kripa Shri Murti, the Lord's mercy taking the form, and that has come to deliver us is Krishna Kripa Srimurti, and in this way the mercy flows from Bhagavan to Sandhini Shakti through Guru Tattva and enters into our hearts. Shri Guru Pyo Namaha.